Hello, welcome to Constitution in News. Yesterday, Haryana government has passed a draft ordinance which says that 75% of the jobs will be reserved for the residents of Haryana. This is not a new thing because last year we have seen Andhra Pradesh government also doing the legislating the same bill, uh, reserving 75% of the jobs to locals. And the Haryana government, so if you go into a little bit of detail, the reservation is only for those jobs which pay less than 50,000 per month. So all the high-skilled, well-paid jobs are not being reserved. Only those which matter to freshers and low-skill jobs. We can go into the competitive aspects of it, how businesses would affect by such provisions, but the commentary is out on those issues. Let's try to explore the constitutional aspect of these provisions. And there are two constitutional angles I could explore. The first question is with respect to does the state even have the power to regulate or reserve private sector jobs? If you read Article 16, it says that the state can reserve jobs in public sector employment, but not there's no provision with respect to private sector jobs. State can reserve educational seats in private institutions, but Constitution has not provided for reservation in private sector jobs. So that is number one provision which we have to think about. And the second provision is with respect to right of every citizen to practice any trade, business, or any profession. Article 19(1)(g) gives every citizen a right to practice any business. They can open whatever business they want. Of course, the state can impose certain reasonable restrictions in the interest of general public, or they can impose certain qualifications. Of course, anyone cannot become a doctor. You need to have a license to be a doctor. So such restrictions can be imposed, obviously, but in general, every citizen has a right to do business. But I don't know if how can a business run if there is 75% reservation limitation, and there will be a lot of restrictions on one's fundamental right this way. So I suppose that this law or ordinance would go into judicial review, and I think that the courts would declare them as unconstitutional. But we have to see if there is any if such reservations would come under those reasonable restrictions or not. And the jury is out. We have to see what the courts would do, because the Andhra Pradesh legislation is already in the Andhra Pradesh High Court. Probably that order would give us some clarity about such laws that reserve jobs in private sector. That's it for today. We'll come up with a new constitutional news tomorrow. Thank you.